Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the keyboard type and layout so you know what to change. If it's USB, plug into a working port. If Bluetooth, open System Settings and pair the device. Once connected, make sure macOS recognizes it under Keyboard or Bluetooth. Next, open Keyboard Settings to view modifier options and repeat rate. You'll act on those values immediately so basic typing behaves as expected. Make sure to keep the cable steady or stay within range while pairing completes. Now you remap and verify keys. Open modifier keys to swap Control, Option, and Command so shortcuts match Mac expectations. Enable Keyboard Viewer to watch which scan codes map to characters when you press keys. This helps identify swapped Alt/Option behavior. If you need complex remaps, install Carabiner Elements and create simple rules for Command/Option inversion or FN behavior. Once done, test common shortcuts like Command-C and Option-Tab. So finish by tuning key repeat and delay so typing speed matches your habits, and save any custom remap profiles. Test across a browser, text editor, and terminal to ensure consistency. If a key still misbehaves, first repair or try a different USB port. If Bluetooth is flaky, toggle Bluetooth off and on and restart the Mac. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the Bluetooth module or remove and re-add the device. This usually clears pairing cache problems and restores normal input behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.